Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're gonna make
Banana Fosters with sweetbread French toast and vanilla ice cream. In a large pot, add rum, chocolate, orange and lemon juice, cinnamon, star anise, 1 cup of brown sugar, and let simmer, reduce by half. In another large bowl, add 2 cups of milk, whip the eggs with 2 tablespoons brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Slice the bananas and set aside. Spray frying pan with vegetable spray on about medium-high heat. Dip the sweetbread into egg mixture and saute both sides in frying pan. Set aside on a platter. Saute bananas with rum mixture. Add butter and mix. Place the bananas on the bread and spoon ice cream all over. Enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.